Welcome to Edapt. Today in this video we'll be discussing about 5 mistakes that you need to avoid while packing for abroad. You've sent your application, already gotten into a chosen university and also started to think about your life beyond your arrival. But before the fun begins, you need to transport your worldly possessions across land and sea just so you have everything you need and you feel at home. But you don't worry, because we've uncovered 7 common packing problems that everyone and literally everyone faces. So let's just quickly get started with the video. Number 1. Exceeding the maximum weight limit. Some of you won't believe, but overpacking is so easily done, especially if you're in a hurry or a tiny bit excited. Be sure to give yourself enough time to pack properly. Give a few minutes to yourself to understand what are the things that you likely need, and just don't be tempted to throw in all the items just in case. And finally, before you leave your home, make sure you weigh your bag so that you know it is not over the limit. Number 2. Making bad use of space. There's no real need of packing everything precisely, but it is worth to take a little care when it comes to packing your case. Remember that your bag is going to be buffeted around, so you pack your bag properly and be sure for yourself that the content inside is protected well. Pack any liquids or toiletries in a waterproof container or a plastic bag just in case of any leaks, and cushion any softer items on the outside of the case. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to reduce creases and also make some extra space in the case. Number 3. Restricted items. Check out the list of restricted or prohibited items for the country that you're traveling to and make sure that you don't pack any of these items unless you want to spend a few hours with the customs officials in that country. Number 4. Packing unnecessary items. Unless you're going to study in a mountain area or a remote uninhabited area, the likelihood is that you'll be able to get hold of basics no matter where you are. Toiletries, books, music can be purchased locally and are not worth paying excess luggage fees for. Number 5. Not thinking ahead. When you arrive at your destination, you're probably going to have a shower or sleep or check-in or register without having to unpack every single thing. Keeping this in mind, have everything packed in one box that you're going to need most likely in the first 24 hours. So these were a few common packing mistakes that everyone makes. Want to learn more? You can get assistance from Edapt. We would be pleased to help you. Download the app now, as the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.